friends. I'm Alexandra Sokolova from the Income Mersin Real Estate Agency. Real estate in Turkey in the city of Mersin. Today, I will show you a 2+1 apartment on the ultra-first coastline of the Mediterranean Sea. Just 10 meters from the sea to a beautiful apartment that is being sold fully furnished and equipped with appliances. Move in and live. The apartment has undergone a high-quality designer renovation with good expensive furniture and appliances that have been tastefully selected. The apartment is offered at an attractive price. As always, I'm leaving all the details below in the info box under the video. Feel free to check it out, read through, and also visit our website. There, you'll find only up-to-date listings at current prices. Or download the Income Mersin app on Google Play, where you'll find a database of real estate properties in Mersin. Take a look at the options available on the Mersin real estate market before making a purchase. This apartment definitely deserves your consideration, even if you're not ready to buy it just yet. Let it be your motivation, your goal. Once again, I'll say it. This apartment truly deserves to be viewed and commented on by you. Let's go take a look. In front of us is a fully furnished 2-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms located in the Çeşmeli district of Mersin. The apartment is situated on the first coastline, just 10 meters from the sea. One of its main advantages is the direct panoramic view of the Mediterranean Sea, which can be enjoyed from the spacious glazed terrace. In front of the building, there is a large open swimming pool with relaxation areas and sun loungers. The complex's grounds are gated and well maintained. There are green areas, gazebos, landscape design, and open parking for residents. Thanks to the close proximity to the sea, the apartment offers excellent views of the beach, the pool, and the complex grounds. The glazed terrace is furnished with soft seating, a wardrobe, and a television. In fact, it serves as an additional room that can be used for relaxation, family breakfasts, or gatherings with guests. From the terrace, we move into the kitchen area. The apartment is being sold with all the furniture and appliances shown. The kitchen is equipped with a spacious cabinet, a granite countertop, and a large kitchen island. It features a cooktop, an oven, an extractor hood, a refrigerator, and other necessary appliances. The kitchen is combined with a spacious living room. The large island visually separates the 2 functional areas while maintaining a single open space. The living room is furnished with a sofa, armchairs, coffee tables, and a television. Light finishes, mirrored surfaces, and large windows visually expand the space and provide excellent natural lighting. The apartment is fully ready for occupancy. After purchase, there will be no need to buy additional furniture or major household appliances. The total area of the property is 100 square meters gross. The apartment is located on the 2nd floor of an 11-story building. The hallway features a large built-in wardrobe, which is convenient for storing clothes, shoes, and other items. A steel entrance door provides additional security. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Here, there is a shower cabin, a vanity with a sink, a large mirror, and all the necessary plumbing fixtures. Modern large-format porcelain stoneware is used for the finishing. The apartment has 2 separate bedrooms. The first bedroom is fully furnished and has its own full bathroom with a shower. Here you will find a double bed, bedside tables, an air conditioner, and a spacious mirrored wardrobe. The bathroom is fully tiled with porcelain stoneware and features a sink, a wall-hung toilet with a bidet function, and a shower cabin. A large window provides good natural lighting. The room is separated from the living room, making it suitable for peaceful relaxation and permanent living. The apartment's interior maintains a unified modern style throughout. Porcelain stoneware is used in the common areas, while the bedrooms are finished with laminate flooring. The second bedroom is also fully furnished and equipped with air conditioning. It can be used as a master bedroom, a children's room, a study, or a guest room. The room features a spacious built-in wardrobe with mirrored doors. The light-colored finishes make the space appear visually more spacious. The apartment is equipped with gas heating for year-round living. The building is equipped with an elevator and a generator that supports the operation of the main systems of the complex in case of a power outage. It is worth emphasizing once again the location of the apartment. Thanks to its position on the first coastline, it only takes a few minutes to reach the beach. At the same time, the main recreation areas are already located within the complex. You can use the pool, relax in the gazebos, spend time in the garden, and return to the glazed terrace with a sea view. This combination is especially convenient for family vacations, seasonal living, or extended stays in Mersin. The apartment comes fully furnished, allowing you to move in immediately after purchase without lengthy preparations or extra hassle. All rooms are already ready for the comfortable living of the new owners. This apartment is perfect for those looking for a ready-to-move-in furnished property by the sea for permanent or seasonal vacations in Mersin. The main advantage of this offer is its location on the first coastline of the Mediterranean Sea and of course the panoramic sea view, the spacious glazed terrace, and excellent furniture and appliances on a well-maintained property with a pool. So what do you think? I look forward to hearing your impressions. Write them in the comments. Save this video and share it with your friends. And of course, come visit Mersin. We will be happy to see you in Mersin to accommodate you in a comfortable apartment by the sea where you can live, relax, breathe, swim, and see if this is the right place for you. And we will show you apartments that suit your needs and your goals. Thank you, dear ones, for watching and subscribing. Love you all and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.